So this is number 35 done with GeoGebra 3D. There we go, that's the calculator. So I plugged in the three equations the way they are in the book, x plus y plus z equals 3 and so on. And when they're graphed, each one of them is a plane. And I can rotate these here, and I gave them different colors. And two planes will intersect in one line, which is this blue one here. So I have equations 3 and 2 intersect in one line. I actually had to use that trick because it wouldn't otherwise tell me the intersect. And then this is what I did here. These two here intersect in one line. That's this line here. Lambda is kind of like a slope. And then this particular line here, which is called f now, intersects with the equation 1, which I hadn't used yet, in only one point, and that indeed is our solution, which is that gray point right here. I don't know if I can click on this. Not really. I guess it does some funky things. Anyway, that's where all the three planes intersect with each other. All right, let's do example 5. So I have here 3x plus y minus 10z equals -8. There we go. And then I'm going to have 1, 1, -2, -4. 1, 1, -2, and did I say -4? Yep. And then I'm going to have -2, 0, 9, and 5. And there we go. All right, and so it graphs all these three planes. Again, I have the line where two of them intersect right here highlighted, and then the point where they all intersect is this one here, and the solution that you see here for point A, 2, -1, and I'm sorry, 2, -4, and 1 is the same that we came up by using the Gauss-Jordan elimination.